How to make physical artwork into NFTs. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to convert your physical art into NFT and sell them as an NFT for thousands of dollars. So let's get into it. This tutorial will be very helpful for the people out there who want to sell their art, their physical art as NFT, because if your art is worth $10,000, it can be worth double in NFT. And as the NFT community is growing, we see a lot of artists creating digital art. So you are an artist, you created some physical art, now you want to sell it as a physical NFT. And I'll show you how it works, because it sounds a little complicated that okay, how we're gonna convert our physical art into an NFT, what will happen to the original art, because when something is converted into an NFT, that means it is unique. There is nothing like this in this world. So how this works, that's what we will cover today, and I'll explain it to you. I have opened up one of the NFT websites, which is OpenSea.io, which is world's first and largest NFT marketplace. So right here on OpenSea, we will be able to find a lot different types of NFTs. Let's open up the art NFTs and let me give you some of the examples how the art NFTs look. So you can see right here, most of the time it's digital art, but some of the time it is a physical art that is being converted into NFTs. So it totally depends on you what kind of collection you are going to be creating. This kind of like looks like a physical art, or you can see right here. Now, you can see this is art NFT. Let's actually mint an NFT, and I'll show you how we create NFT on OpenSea and how we can convert a simple image of our physical art into NFT. First of all, what you guys need to do is the art that you have to take a picture of your art that you created. I had this art, this painting, and I took a picture of it because we can take a picture, a PNG, a JPG file, and convert it into NFT, and that's how we will be doing it. So this was a physical art and I took a picture. You can also scan with a scanner. You can take a 2D scanner, or you can scan with a simple scanner that you have. So you will just scan your physical art, that picture, or take a picture with your phone. It totally depends on you. Once you have the picture, you can see if I create an item right here on OpenSea, that means I'm creating an NFT. So I'll just click right here and upload the picture, and you can see now this will become an NFT. There are different ways I can sell my physical art as an NFT. First of all, I can just sell this picture, and I can also sell my physical art separately. Or what I can do is I can sell my physical art, the painting that I have, or this picture to the same buyer. And there is another way, which is once you convert it into NFT, you actually, destroy your art. Now that seems a little radical, so a lot of people won't be doing that, but it's actually really easy. Once you have the picture, you have this, you convert it into NFT, and then you can sell your physical art as well. And I'll show you how to actually add your physical art if you want to sell it, how to add it right here. So I have added like this picture of my physical art. Let's give it a name. Then we have external link. You can see if you have any page detail about your NFT that you're creating, if you want to add a link, you will be adding it right here. Then we have the description. Of course, for the description, you will add what this NFT is about, what is going to be the collection about, and you can also add in information that this is actually going to be a physical art. If I scroll down, so you just write the description. For the purpose of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write the word description. Moving on, we have collection. So here you will select the collection. If you do not have any collection, don't worry about it. A new collection will be created automatically once you mint your NFT. Also, if you want to create a collection, go to the profile right here, go to my collections. One more thing that I forgot to mention, if you are a complete beginner and you have no idea how to get started on OpenSea, then you just go to OpenSea.io and you have to actually connect your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet you want to. So I've connected my MetaMask.io, and then you will be able to create an NFT like this. Alright, so moving on, we have properties, levels, and stats. Now these are some of the traits that show as a rectangle, as a progress bar, or as numbers. So you just click on this plus button right here, enter the character name. Click on save and a new property is created. Now, properties and levels and stats help us with the rarity of an NFT. The more percentage you will have and the more rare your NFT will be, the more floor price you can actually add to it. Then we have this right here. Now, this is actually an important option when it comes to selling physical NFTs. Unlockable content check. Let's say I also want to sell my physical art with this NFT. So you can see we have this option which is unlockable content. If I enable this option now, I can actually upload a file here. I can add my address if I want to. I can add my email. So this is actually because when we're dealing with NFTs, we don't actually interact with people this way, like this personal information. But OpenSea gives us this option, which is unlockable content. And this is only revealed by the owner. Only I will reveal it to the buyer. And I can actually add my website here, anything, any detail I want to, so that the buyer can contact me for the physical NFT. So this is actually an important option, and a lot of people don't know about this. So we have unlockable content check right here. If you want to sell your physical NFT as well, like a physical art that you have, you can add the information right here. Moving on, we have explicit and sensitive content check. Supply, this is again for the NFT, the number of copies that you will be minting. If you are minting one, then there is no gas cost to you, because gas fee is like a fee that we pay. It's just like, in simple words, a tax that you have to pay if you're using Ethereum or any other blockchain. So there's no gas cost, no extra tax if you're just minting one. Then we have blockchain. In blockchain, you will be selecting, this is an important option, where you will be minting your NFT. It also depends on your wallet that you have. I have connected a MetaMask wallet, which is an Ethereum wallet. That is why I'm getting the option of Ethereum and Polygon. But on our MetaMask, we can also add our Arbitrum, Avalanche network, and others. So if you want to learn that, there are already videos on the channel. You can go ahead and check them out and learn how to add Polygon to your MetaMask, how to add Arbitrum to your MetaMask or Avalanche. All right. Then we also have some Solana. If you want to go for Solana NFTs, then you can select this option. I have selected Ethereum, and then we have freeze your metadata. Click on create and your NFT will be created. And I just created, and I am minting an NFT which is actually a physical art. And there you go, my NFT has been created. You can see right here, now I have the link, I can share it. Let's actually close it. This is our NFT. You can see we have our blockchain, we have collection, we have the name, price history, everything. You can see we have our properties. So this is how you can create NFT, and you can see now it's an NFT, and this is actually an art that actually exists in real life. It's a physical art that I converted into an NFT, and that's how you can do it. It's very easy to do, and you will be able to sell your unique art that you have as NFT and earn thousands of dollars with it. If you want to sell it, click on sell right here, and you will also be able to edit it. We can go with timed auction or fixed price. So I'm going to go with a fixed price. And for this art, because if it's a very good art and unique art, you can actually add the price you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sell it for 1 Ethereum, which is going to be $1,000. So I can go with more than that. I can go with 10 Ethereum, which is going to be $13,000. I can go with maybe 20 Ethereum, which is going to be $26,000. And we can, of course, add more and more. Let's say 50 Ethereum, and it's going to be $65,000 for this art right here. It depends on your art as well. And then we have duration right here, and the service fee is going to be 2.5%, and the creator fee is going to be 0%. Click on complete listing, and your NFT will be minted and listed on OpenSea, and you will be able to sell your physical art as an NFT. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.